Hey guys, so quick video. If you have the Alienware monitor and you're looking for how to connect the speakers, that like the sound isn't working or something. So to connect the speakers, you need to use, like there are two things how you're gonna do it. So let's test it out. The first way is that when you're gonna have the HDMI and connect it, and when I'm going to look here what it actually has, that it got like headphone out port, and you want to look for the headphone out port, and then let's say you have the JBL, right? So you can JBL Flip 5, I don't know, just and connect to PC. There you need to look for the cable, like here, do you see that? So you need to use the aux cable, how is there on the screen, aux cable that you would, like the headphone out, you would connect to your JBL Flip. I hope you get what I mean. So you're gonna just connect it to the headphone output on your Alienware monitor, and that's how it's done, and it should work.